Hello amazing people, welcome back Digital Dynamos. On today's upload, we wanted to find the value of this expression 44 divided by 1 over 65 then times 65. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 65 divided by 65 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 44 divided by 1 equals 44. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 44 divided by 1 over 65. To do this division, write down the 44 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 65 over 1, which gives 65. And here again we have times 65. 44 times 65 gives us 2,860. So 2,860 times 65, which equals 185,900. And so our final answer to this problem is just 185,900. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to spread the fun.